Tutorial: Add/remove Windows features in Windows. Windows allows users to customize their installation by adding or removing optional features. These features include programs, utilities, and services that aren't automatically installed with the operating system, but can be added or removed based on your requirements. For example, you may want to add .NET Framework for development purposes or remove Internet Explorer to save space. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open Windows Features Settings. Press Windows S to open the search bar. Then type Turn Windows Features On or Off and click on the result. This will open the Windows Features dialog where you can manage optional components. 2. Add a Windows feature. In the Windows Features dialog, you'll see a list of optional features. Check the box next to any feature you want to add. For example, to enable .NET Framework 3.5, check the box next to it. Click OK. Windows will download and install the necessary files. You may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. 3. Remove a Windows feature. To remove a feature, simply uncheck the box next to the feature you want to remove. Click OK. Windows will remove the feature, and you may be prompted to restart your computer. 4. Add/remove features via command line. You can also manage Windows features via the command line using the DISM tool. To view installed features, open Windows Terminal, Admin, by right-clicking the Start button. Type the following command: bash DSM online get features format table. This lists all available features and their current status, enabled or disabled. To add a feature, use the following command to enable a specific feature: bash DSM online enable feature /FeatureName FeatureName. Replace FeatureName with the name of the feature you want to install. To remove a feature, use this command to disable a specific feature: bash DSM online /disable FeatureName FeatureName. By using these steps, you can easily add or remove optional features in Windows either via the graphical interface or command line to customize your system as per your needs.